What's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review on the Turtle Beach Stealth 600s for the PlayStation 4. Now you can use these for the PlayStation Pro, PlayStation 4 Pro, and the PlayStation 4. Now they'll also be able to be used with the PlayStation 4 Slim. Alright, now you can get these on turtlebeach.com for $89.95, and I also found an Amazon link where you can get it for almost around the same price. Alright, now what's included in here, I already done the my kids already got it, you know, they already used it because it was a Christmas gift. So we already opened it and been using it, so ain't no need to do the unboxing. But what you get the headset right here, and then you get the USB dongle, which is this right here, and then you get the charging cable, which is that right there. Alright, now let me tell you a little bit of the specs. Is you got 100% wireless audio connection. Alright, you got a battery life of up to 15 hours. The speaker size is 50 millimeters with neodymium, I don't even know how to pronounce that, I ain't going front, magnets, and then you got a flip up to mute omnidirectional microphone, which is that. We'll get into that. Alright, now you got a headband, an air pad material, which is mesh fabric with foam cushioning, and then the air cushion is mesh fabric with foam cushioning. Alright, now some of the features, like I said, 100% wireless, so you don't need no wires to connect this or anything to your PS4 console. You got Turtle Beach surround sound, which is you turn standard stereo sound into virtual sound, surround sound, and immerse yourself in games, movies, and music on any platform. You got Superhuman Hearing, which is just, it increases the hearing where they say footsteps in games like Call of Duty or anything like that, where it's supposed to be quiet. You'll hear little footsteps and little voices and stuff like that that you might not normally hear if you didn't have the headset on. And it says it's glasses friendly. So the latest version of Turtle Beach's patented Prospex glasses relief system features dual foam air cushions with softer foam in the section of the air cushions that rest against your glasses, so it won't mess up the people, my nerds, and people who, you know, can't see, my blind folk. You know what I mean? So you'll be good in that aspect. Variable mic monitoring, so it says say it, don't shout it, you don't have to be loud. High quality 50 millimeter speakers, hear every crisp high and thundering low with these large powerful speakers. And you got audio presets including bass boost, enhance your gameplay experience with 4 audio equalizer presets including bass boost, signature sound, bass and treble boost, and vocal boost. Alright, so let's just get a look around the headset and see what it look like. Alright, so this is the flip up mic. So if it's down like that, you can talk, you know what I mean, have communication. If it's up, that means it's muted. So when your mic is up, it's in a mute position. Alright, here you go, you got a nice big cushion right in here. Turtle Beach branding at the top. They extend for my melon head people, you know what I mean. So if you got a big watermelon head, these will fit you too. You got cushions on the inside, nice soft cushions, and they do swivel, so it's not a 360 swivel. It's kind of like a, I don't even know if I want to call it 180, maybe close to a 180 swivel. I don't like that squeak sound, it's kind of annoying. Alright, and then the actual air, see how like this, it bends in and out like that for a little bit more comfort level. And then right here, you have the power on button, then you have the mode button. This is where you charge it. This is your LED indicator. This is your volume up. This is your chat volume up. This is your main volume up or down. And then on the other air cup, there's nothing on there. Alright. So what you do is you take this and you plug it into your PS4.
An error has occurred. Try again later.
Get this box out of here. Plug it into your PS4 right up here. So you got a little USB port. You plug it in there like so. And then the charger, you would take the charger and you do the same thing and plug it into the USB port right there. And then the other hand will go into the headset. Alright. So that's basically, there's nothing really to install. That's all you do to use these headphones. Alright. Now I wanted to show you a difference real quick in these headphones and why I think anybody who has a PlayStation 4 Slim should get these instead of the other headsets. And the reason is because anybody who has a PlayStation 4 Slim, you know that there's no optical input. You know what I mean? So the regular PlayStation 4 has the optical input in the back, and the PlayStation Slim does not. So you see on the back, there's no optical input. Alright, now on the regular PlayStation and the PlayStation 4 Pro, you got the optical input. So with like I got the let me get these out real quick. Alright, now these are the Turtle Beach Stealth 400s. See the 400 right there. And these are the Turtle Beach Stealth 520s. Alright, now the difference is that the 400s and the 520s come with the same dongle like the 600s. See, the same dongle, but the difference is the one for the 500 and the one for 520s and the 400s has this optical input. So you plug one end of the optical input in here, then you plug the other end into the back of your PlayStation. The one for the 600s don't have that. They don't have that, so therefore you wouldn't need the optical input, which means you should be able to get all your you should be able to get all of your audio without any problems. Now the problem with it is you can still use this for the PlayStation 4 Slim, but then you can't separate the chat audio and the game audio, so it's all controlled by one. But if you had the actual input, if you had a regular PlayStation, then you can split the audio. So that's a big difference. So that's a plus if you want to get them headsets. If you got the PS4 Slim, then I would suggest off top just to get the 600s, because then you skip the audio, the input, the optical input. All right. Another difference in those is you see this mic is attached, so it don't come off. These mics are detachable. You know what I mean? So the mic on the 520s and the mic on the 4s are detachable. They come off. Alright? So that's one of the big differences. But like I said, for anybody who got the Slim, I would definitely suggest that you grab the 600s, because you don't have to worry about the audio, the input. Alright? But I'm going to show you a couple of the features on here. So plug this into your PlayStation like so, and then you should get a little sign that comes up on your PlayStation that tells you the microphone is switched to USB. You should get that. It'll tell you that your microphone has been switched to USB, and then you just simply turn them on with the power button. You should be able to hear it say turned on. And then your blue LED indicator starts lighting up. So I'll let you know that it's on. Alright. Like I said, these are your volume buttons. So you turn up the chat volume with this one. You turn up the main volume with this one. Alright. Now if you want to mute your microphone, you put it in the up position, and your microphone is muted. Now there's no thing that tells you that your mic is muted, but that's what you do. Now if you want to change the modes, you press that. Now I can't actually hear what it's saying because I don't have it on my head, but I'll tell you. Let's see. All right, so you hit it one time, it's vocal boost, vocal boost. Hit it again, you get the signature sound. Hit it the third time, you get the bass boost. Hit it the fourth time, you get bass and treble boost. All right, so that's the 4 mode settings. Now let's see if you can get Superhuman Hearing, which I think you just hold in the power button, or you tap the power button. All right, yeah, so you just tap the power button and Superhuman Hearing is turned on. Also, the voices in here is a male voice. The voice that on a 600, I mean the 520s and the 400s is a female voice. All right, so that's basically the setup for these. Now the quality of these are pretty much similar. I'm not gonna say that these are better than the 520s or the 400s. These just have more features, but I think sound quality is probably even across the board. So I wouldn't suggest you get these just based on sound quality, because it's not going to be that big a difference if there's any difference at all. But far as features, like I said, if you got the PS4 Slim, I would definitely recommend this, because the PS4 Slim gives you you don't have the other input, so you'll be able to keep your same audio. You wouldn't have to split them, and you'd be able to keep them like that. The comfort level, I say these are more comfortable. These are comfortable of the 3 pair. Definitely the most comfortable. I like the flip up to mute mic design. But even though I do like the mute button on the other 2, it's just a button that you hit and you automatically mute them. So I like them both. It just depends on your preference. Now I don't like this squeak when you turn these. I don't like that. That's kind of annoying. And I mean, I don't know how often you're going to be doing that, but I'm just saying that I wouldn't want my headphones, you know, to squeak like that. It's kind of definitely annoying. But these are a decent pair of headphones, good gaming pair of headphones for anybody really. So it's not just for a child or for an adult. Anybody can have them and actually enjoy them. But it's DOAKABONDS Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all you got to do is go into the description, click on all of those links, and you can follow me on all my social media sites. And we out.